Very straightforward, but this is how you make a credit roll from scratch and play it out in CasparCG. So we start off in Photoshop, and we need to make sure that the width is the same as the width that you're using. So if you're using 720p, it's 1280. If you're using 1080p, it's 1920, and so on and so on. So let's add some text. And in this case, let's make it red, just so that we can see it. Of course, doesn't really matter. If you want to use a background loop, make sure. If you want to use a background loop, make sure that the background is transparent. And now we're just going to save this or export this as a PNG to make sure that we have the alpha. We don't need to save this, and if we then go to the server, we go to media, we make sure that the actual PNG is within the media folder, or if in the config if you pointed it to something else. So now we're going to start the server. Let's make this a little bit smaller. And let's start the client. And in here we have an image scroller, so we can use that to scroll the image from bottom to top, for instance. So if we add this, we need to add the server, and we need a target. I obviously forget to start the scanner, and first the library. Now we can see that we have the image. We can add the image roll, and now if we play it out, it will do the image roll. So you can do this for credit. Now of course you want to not have it on that speed, so let's say we want it at 5, and you can also add a little blur. Maybe still too quick, so let's make it 3. That's maybe better. So yeah, very straightforward, but this is how you make a credit roll from scratch and play it out in CasparCG.